Cut a piece of Wakaflex the width of the chimney or skylight, plus 11 inches, 5.5 inches on each side. Remove the release liner from the top portion of the Wakaflex and adhere it to the head wall. Cut down from the top of the Wakaflex along the corner of the chimney or skylight. Remove the release liner from the rest of the Wakaflex. Adhere the Wakaflex to the slates and form it to the profile. Cut a 12-inch piece of Wakaflex. Remove the release liner and adhere the Wakaflex to the slate and sidewall. Install the adjacent slates. Cut another 12-inch piece of Wakaflex for the next course. Fold it lengthwise at 4 inches to be applied to the deck. Remove the release liner and adhere it to the slate and sidewall. Repeat for each course. At the top course, cut along the corner of the chimney or skylight and fold a tab around the corner. Install slates over the Wakaflex and behind the chimney or skylight.